Now let's move on to double heels. Double heels in level 2 are going to incorporate an opposite heel drop. Remember in our first rudiment study today, we did our opposite press, heel, press, heel. That's going to lead the way to us doing opposite heel drops. But before we move into an opposite heel drop exercise, let's review our double heels. We're going to run our eighth notes like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and then we're going to run them all 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and twice. All right. For this exercise, you're going to really think about the placement of your pressed toe before the double heels. Remember on the double heels how important it is to completely shift your weight and have your body be either on the right side or the left side, depending on which heel you're dropping. Again, right now we're going to look at a double heel review exercise, running our eighth notes with the pattern moving out, in. I'm going to do it nice and slowly first, and then we'll do it a second time up to tempo. There. That's a review of what we learned in level 1, looking at our double heels. And I noticed that on one of them, at the beginning of the second time I was doing it quick, I kept my placement out to second. That's okay. I'm looking at the rhythm being accurate. Explore different placement opportunities as you practice these rhythms. Now let's look at the opposite heel and look at how that comes into play when we study our double heel series. Again, these are kind of our press cramp rows. A press in 2 heels is a press cramp row. The rhythm's simple going to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And notice at the end how I press the opposite heel. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite heels. Great. Now, if you can do that, you're ready to incorporate a pattern of movement. Let's do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, so we're going to change feet. We're going to do out, in, out. Now change feet. Out, in, out. Now change feet. Out. Now change feet. Out. Now change feet. You notice we can travel forward or back on those opposite heel drops. We also can think about swinging this rhythm. So it can become 1, 2, 3, 4.